Want to launch a YouTube channel in 2025, but not sure what to post? You're not alone. Starting a YouTube channel can feel overwhelming, especially when it seems like everyone is already doing it. And truthfully, some niches are saturated. That's why picking a smart, strategic theme is more important than ever. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need the right idea and the right tools to bring it to life. In this video, we are going to talk about how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is one where the creator remains anonymous, never revealing their face or identity on camera. Instead of relying on the creator's physical presence, these channels focus on delivering engaging content through alternative means, such as voiceovers, screen recordings, animations, or text overlays. Faceless YouTube channels span a wide range of niches, from educational content and product reviews to entertainment and storytelling. One notable example of a successful faceless channel is Kurzgesagt in a nutshell, which creates captivating animated videos explaining complex scientific and philosophical concepts. Another example is Primitive Technology, where the creator demonstrates primitive skills and builds impressive structures without ever showing his face or speaking a word. These channels showcase the power of compelling content and unique presentation styles in capturing and retaining an audience's attention. How to start a faceless YouTube channel. To create a faceless YouTube channel, follow these foundational steps. 1. Choose a profitable niche. One of the most crucial steps in starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is selecting a profitable niche. A well-defined niche helps you create targeted content, attract a dedicated audience, and establish your channel as an authority in your chosen field. When considering faceless YouTube channel ideas, it's essential to conduct thorough niche research to identify areas with high demand and low competition. To find a profitable niche, start by analyzing popular channels and identifying the common themes and topics they cover. Look for patterns in their content, engagement rates, and subscriber growth to gauge the potential for success in specific niches. Additionally, consider your own interests, expertise, and unique perspective to ensure that you can consistently create valuable content for your target audience. Some popular faceless YouTube channel niches include educational content, how-to guides and tutorials, product reviews and unboxing videos, storytelling and narrative-driven content, animated explainers and infographics. 2. Plan your YouTube channel content. With your niche identified, it's time to map out your content strategy so you can start the content creation phase faster. Brainstorm a list of specific video ideas within your chosen categories. Aim for topics that provide value to viewers and that you can create engaging content around without being on camera yourself. Think about the types of visuals your audience of future subscribers will expect too. What kinds of animations should you be prepared to add to your YouTube videos? Sometimes thinking about the visuals first can help you come up with your YouTube channel ideas at the same time. Develop a consistent posting schedule to build a loyal subscriber base. Many successful YouTubers publish new faceless videos on a weekly basis. You may want to batch create content so you have a backlog of videos ready to go. 3. Creating and editing faceless videos. With your script and voiceover ready, it's time to bring your faceless video to life through the power of AI-assisted video creation and editing. AI tools can help you generate visually stunning videos by automatically selecting relevant footage, applying transitions, and synchronizing the visuals with your voiceover. To create high-quality faceless videos, start by gathering a library of stock footage, images, and graphics that align with your niche and video topic. Use AI-powered editing software to analyze your script and suggest appropriate visuals to accompany each scene. Fine-tune the AI-generated video by adjusting the timing, adding text overlays, and incorporating branding elements to create a cohesive and professional look. As you edit your faceless video, pay attention to pacing and visual storytelling techniques to keep your audience engaged. Use a mix of wide shots, close-ups, and dynamic camera movements to add visual interest and guide the viewer's attention. Incorporate smooth transitions and effects to create a seamless flow between scenes and maintain a consistent aesthetic throughout your video. 4. Optimize your faceless YouTube channel for search. Content creation is only one part of what it takes to have successful YouTube videos. To get viewers for your faceless videos, you need to optimize your YouTube channel and content for search so your audience can find them. Research keywords related to your topics and naturally incorporate them in your video titles, tags, descriptions, and content. Craft compelling, keyword-rich titles that pique curiosity. Write interesting descriptions that clearly explain what the video is about. Check out Google Trends and other keyword tools YouTubers are using to find winnable phrases, but avoid keyword stuffing and keep titles concise. Aim for clicks and engagement, not just #1 rankings. Over time, you can adapt your strategy based on which of your videos perform best. 5. Promote YouTube videos and engage your audience. Engaging your audience is crucial for building a following and fostering a sense of community around your faceless YouTube channel. While you may not show your face, there are still numerous techniques you can employ to connect with your viewers and encourage interaction. One effective strategy is to actively encourage comments and discussions in your video descriptions and pinned comments. Pose thought-provoking questions, ask for feedback, and respond to comments to show your audience that you value their input. You can also create polls and surveys to gather insights and involve your viewers in shaping the direction of your content. Another way to engage your audience is by leveraging social media platforms to extend your reach and foster a sense of community. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, teasers, and exclusive content on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to keep your audience excited and invested in your channel. Regularly interact with your followers, respond to their messages, and repost user-generated content to strengthen the bond between you and your audience. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for new home style videos. See you in the next video.